In this video, I'm going to show you how to download multiple files at once from Google Drive in your computer and smartphone. In your Windows computer, first, open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the browser icon. In the search bar, type Google Drive and click Enter. Left-click the first link that appears. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage. Here you can see all your files. To download all of these files at once, simply press Ctrl+A keys on your keyboard. All the files will be selected at once. Now, on the top navigation bar, simply left-click the Download button to download all the files. On your smartphone, first, open the Google Drive mobile application by tapping on the icon. In the Google Drive application, to download all files at once, simply select a single file by tapping on it. Once it's selected, simply click the Select All icon on top of the application. All the files will be selected. Then, to download all these files at once, simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap the Download option.